you doing? I get 30 on 13.
You said 30 on 13?
Yeah. GoPro. It's a camera. Yeah.
You want your receipt?
Nah, cool. Appreciate it. But nigga just pulled up and got 105? Damn. What the fuck they driving? YouTube. Been a minute since I got a POV in the big booty. So shit, man, the day we got down, you know, out with the bros, just cutting up and shit, you know what I'm saying? We got the Scats out there bit, we got RTs out there bit. Right now, I put a 30 ball in there bit, cause boy, gas high as a motherfucker right now. Oh yeah. All right, then chill out. Wow. Yes, sir. We back, nigga. Hold on, wait, water break. Got to have that good cold 820, man. If you ain't got that, then what the hell are you doing? Come on, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. So we outside with the bro right now. It's been a little minute since I had a POV in the scat, so finna give y'all folks a little fun. Have a little fun. Oh my God. That bit loud as fuck. That bit crazy. This shit is crazy as fuck. What the fuck, bro? Oh shit. I gotta let the windows up for a second. No gang. Like, bro, what the fuck? stuck behind the traffic. Bro. I'm sorry, I ain't been talking. We just been getting active. We back, nigga. What the fuck? I don't even know what to say in the video, bro. Like, I'm just glad to be back doing POVs in the scat, bro. This is just insane, bro. It's been so long. Like, I missed the videos in the scat, bro. This shit just brain got the in a nigga, bro. Damn. We got the gap count going and the POV. Come on, bro. I'm not bullshitting.
LOVEHATE. BEEF, you don't wanna be. Alright.
Alright, man. So we back on road. We took a little break. You know what I'm saying? These 6-4s, these Hemi, man, they get hot. They get hot quick. So we took a little break. Back on the street now though. Trying to get back active. Trying to get back activated. Damn, what the fuck was that? Hey. sir, man. They're gonna wrap up the video for today, bro. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get this out as soon as possible. So y'all folks stay tuned, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Damn. That shit crazy as fuck. Damn. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all for watching, bro. And I'm out of here, gang.